There we go, we got the rebars in. It's ready for the second pour. And we got these templates in. This one here, this one, and there's a couple over there. There's total 9. We got the surveyor coming in tomorrow to do the marking so we can have the plates in right location. So tomorrow morning surveyor will come, then our foreman guy will come and install these plates. And right there the plates got delivered. And it's a beautiful weather today, and hoping this weather holds so we can start pouring. And some water at the bottom so it doesn't bother us anymore, because we already got poured about I think 4 feet high inside the first pour, so I'm not worried about